everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with a Sephora Favorites Pop unboxing. It's one of their new favorites box. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do unboxings, anything makeup related, hauls, try-ons, those kind of things. Please consider subscribing. It would make such a big difference for me. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So this is actually exactly how it came. It is in a box. The outer part is cardboard, and then you have just a box that everything is in. I have kind of peeked at it to take a look, so we'll open this together. I am not a big fan of the packaging. I think it's overkill, but I do like the idea of this. This was $15, I believe. It did have a free shipping, and so this is exactly what it comes, what it looks like in here, just like this. And so we're going to go ahead and open this, and this had some cool products, I thought. So the first product is one of the eyeshadows from the Natasha Denona palette in the color Moonstone. And so it is a shimmer. I am going to go ahead and open this up. It's just in a little plastic. Ooh, I'm going to break it. Oh, yes, I'm going to break it. Okay. Okay, there we go. So it is just in a little plastic thing. All of this else is just cardboard. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this real quick. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. It is creamy and beautiful. I like the idea of Natasha Denona. Her and her shadows are beautiful. This is the first one that I ever used, and it is stunning. It is a beautiful shimmer. It was nice and creamy and beautiful. I cannot justify spending so much on a palette. Maybe this will change my mind, who knows. The next one is actually a Fenty Beauty sample. It is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So it comes in this little container, and it is just a little sample size. It does show the wand here. I'm not going to open it directly. It is just a little sample size. The wand will be just like that. And I was interested to see this. To see how it works. So we'll actually do a try on. I'll use this in one of my recent or upcoming videos, and we'll see how it works. The next product I have here is actually a hair product, and it is from Amika. It is the Flash Instant Shine Mask. So you put this on your hair after you shampoo it. Of course, leave it on just like a mask. Certainly longer the better, but they recommend 5 to 10 minutes. And idea is it helps make your hair shiny and manageable. For me, especially in all the humidity, I have lots of little flyaways, so I'll be super interested to try this and see how this works. So very cool. So far, I really liked all these products, and that's one of the reasons I got this, because I think it's interesting to get a mix of products. Unfortunately, this I received before, and I'm pretty sure it was in a BoxyCharm. This is the Lord & Jones CBD body lotion, and so per pump it's so much milligrams of CBD. I do not like the smell of this. The smell is just overwhelming to me. I don't really enjoy it, and the smell hangs around for a long time. So I actually am going to pass this along, but certainly a cool thing to try. I do like the idea of CBD stuff, so if that's something that you're interested in trying, that is in this box. And then one of the main reasons I got this box is for this. This is the Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. I am a lip balm, lip cream, anything hydrating lips fiend. I will pick up everything and anything, and so the idea that I got a little sample of this versus spending a ton of money to have to buy the full product, and then I get all kinds of other things, was awesome. I am going to open this up, and so you can see it's a beautiful pink color. I am going to just put, oh, that's so soft. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so if you do not like the smell of rose, you will not like this. It smells like perfumey rose. Like my grandmother used to have this rose petal soap stuff that she left in the bathroom to make the bathroom smell like roses. That's what this smells like. I mean, fake rose perfumey smell. However, I can't put it on my lips because I have lipstick on. It is very creamy. It feels very hydrating. So I'm excited to try that. Very, very cool. And then the last product that I received is actually by, and I am not even going to attempt to say this. It's the Mason, yeah, I said I wasn't going to attempt it, Margiela perfume in Beach Walk. And it's just, it is actually a cute, it's more than a sample. It's a cute little bottle here of the perfume. And so she actually makes one of my most favorite perfumes, By the Fireside, I believe it's called. But it is stinking $120 for a bottle. I just cannot justify that. But this is one of her other perfumes, one of the other perfumes in the line. Oh, and that smells good. Different. It's like more floral. I tend to like a musky amber scent, and this is definitely not that. It doesn't remind me of the beach. It reminds me of more a florally note to there. But that one I'll have to look up because I'm terrible at describing perfume scents. So that was the whole box. I think for the price, I think that is a great value. And I wonder if this will be the new thing that is replacing the Sephora Play. They still haven't really announced what's going to come to replace that. Sephora had that Play that was like $10 or $15 a month, and you got sample sizes. It was kind of hit or miss about how good it was. Now they're kind of trying to come out with different favorites and different things for people to try in, and we'll see where that goes. I don't know. What did you guys think about this? Is it worth the money? Do you guys try those Sephora favorites that are packaged, and they range in prices, I know, from all different things? What do you guys think about that? Is this a box that's worth it for you guys? Drop me a line. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.